welcome back to the channel. Hakim Sterling here. So in today's video I'm going to build out my Sony ZVE1 rig right here. So I have the Sony ZVE1 about an year now, and I have been gathering all of these accessories for some time. So I'm just gonna do a build right here to show you guys my build. And yeah, so first I'm gonna start off with my Sony camera right here, which is Sony ZVE1, and I'm gonna get my cage. Now this cage right here is from Small Rig. I actually got this case a few months back now. When I just got my camera, I got this cage with it. Now the cage is basically what gonna mount all the accessories on. So the case is really important in this case right here to have, because of all those quarter thread mount on it right here, and some other mounting option. We can mount your monitor, which I'm going to go later on in this video. So I'm going to mount on my cage right now onto it right here, just like that. I got this little screw right here which comes with it, which is going to help me to mount up my cage as well. Let's mount that in. Let me get this tightened first under the bottom section right here. Just give it some sturdiness. I don't want to tighten it too tight either, because I don't want to over thread these screws. Right, so I got my cage right there, looking good so far. So I'm gonna tuck this onto the bottom right here. So this is the Sony ZVE1 already. So next thing I'm gonna mount right here, because this Sony ZVE1 doesn't have any shoe mount on the top right here. I'm gonna install one of these as well. Now with these I got a shoe which come inside, so I'm gonna attach this on the top right here. Now this is to basically mount my top angle, which you guys gonna see later on as well in the video. So I mount my top screw right there, and that's how it's looking so far. Now for the lens that I'm using for this is the Sigma 16 to 28mm lens. This is just a wide angle lens which I picked up, and it's really great so far. I love that this have an aperture of 2.8, so it's gonna perform also well in low light. So this is the lens right here. Just gonna pop this on. And now you can see, guys, that's how I'm looking so far with this lens right here on it. So I'm gonna mount on some more accessories. So I got a plate right here, so you guys can see. Now this is a plate, Small Rig plate for the V-mount battery, which I'm gonna mount on it. And I got the accessories mount on it right here, as you guys can see, which is gonna work perfectly on my tripod. So I'm gonna just pop this on right now. So I'm gonna slide it onto my battery. I'm gonna pull out my this out the way. I'm just gonna slide my V-mount plate. I'm gonna lock it into place right there, and you can see how it's looking so far. I'm gonna tie in this back section right here, and this is the V-mount battery which I'm using. As you guys can see from newer, I recently picked up this battery as well, and this battery is 150 watt. Really great. So I'm gonna clamp it onto right here, and you can see, guys, that's how I'm looking so far. Then I'm gonna put on my top angle right here onto this section which I mounted earlier, and that's how I'm looking so far. One thing with this though, it kind of feel a bit unbalanced when you put it down like this, but that's not a problem because I'm gonna hold this on L. Also, I got my monitor right here. Now I got a small little articulating arm right here from Small Rig, as you guys can see. looking like something like this, which I mount on my monitor. Now this is what gives me the flexibility in which I can adjust my monitor. So I just tuck it on top like this, and I can adjust it just like so, and I can just tighten this section right here to keep it just sturdy, and I can tighten this bottom section as well, keep it sturdy. A bit more tighten this part section right here as well, and that's how it's looking so far. So this rig right here is pretty simple. Now one thing I forgot to mention is this right here. This is my Ulanzi fan. Now sometimes I use this if I have a setup like this, and sometimes I don't use it depending on how intense I'm shooting. But if I want to shoot like a long wedding or something like that, I really don't use this much, but since I'm using this build right now, I'm gonna just put it inside so you guys can have an idea how it actually look. So I got my Ulanzi fan right there inside, but I think though I can give it some bit amount of room just to accommodate the fan, breathing space. So let me just do that, and that's how it's looking so far. So now you can see it's coming along. Then I'm going to power up my monitor using D-top to 12 volt. So right here I have the D-top. Right here, plug this in. Then I'm going to plug this right here into my monitor. And also I'm going to power up my camera using a USB. Now I'm using this USB cable right here, just like a USB cable that I got. I'm going to plug it into my V-mount battery for the USB Type-C. I'm going to plug this other end right here into my camera as well. So this one will go a little bit more, a bit too short. And that's how I'm looking so far. Alright, so as you can see guys, I have connected up my cable right there onto my V-mount battery. I have connected my monitor as well. Now I'm going to use my HDMI cable right here to connect to my monitor from my camera. Now this camera uses a mini HDMI cable, which sometimes can be a bit flimsy, and this mini HDMI cable can sometimes easily break. So I don't really got a full HDMI cable right here, so I just pin it right there. Now I'm going to try to stock this cable as neat as possible. So I'm going to hook them right into place right here, just to give them some sturdiness. So you can see so far guys, that's how my rig is looking so far right there. So I'm gonna see what else I'm missing. So I got my mic right here. Now I have this mic for quite some time now. This is a mover mic, which I sometimes use on my rig if I don't want to get some audio in. So put that in, tighten that right there, well tight. Plug in this card right here and plug that right into my audio port. And yeah, this is just my rig right here guys. That's how it looks. Nice little run and gun rig right here, and this is just my build of this right here. So you can see that my V-mount battery is powering my camera. I'm not using any dummy battery in this right here, and also is powering my monitor right here. So let me turn that on so you guys see what's going on. As you can see guys, so this is just my setup right here, as you can see. Now a thing about this right here, I can just tuck away this if I don't want to use my monitor, and just flip this around, and I can just put it out of way like that if I don't want to use the monitor. If I want to use the monitor up here, and that's how I use it right here. Nice little monitor. So I can adjust this like so, and this is just my rig right here, as you guys can see. Neat little setup. Next thing I want though is a matte box onto this right here. So if I update this rig, I'm gonna make a next video show you guys my update. So far this is just my handheld rig for client work and those things. So this is just a non-sticker rig right here. So hope you guys like this video, and if you guys see anything that you would want to get inside this video, I'm going to put a link in the description of some of these that you can actually check out. So hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and as always, I see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.